Me and Nono is gonna unbox my this workout kit, right? So I've just opened it, so you can see it's a 50 kg kit, right? Or they have given what, these clips and all along with that, right? They're supposed to give 4, I believe. I don't know how many they have given, right? Packing is very poor. These guys don't know how to pack, right? ऐसे लोग पता नहीं कैसे पैकिंग कर लेते हैं, right? Anyway, let me see what all we have here, right? None, okay? तो लगाने के लिए I'm gonna try that out, right? So this is dumbbells, right? इसके साथ तो स्क्रू ऑलरेडी देखो लगे हुए हैं, right? So I don't need to do anything at all, correct? But as far as rods are concerned, so we are given 4 these, right? So one is for barbell, another one is for this. मत लियो तो अपने आप को लो. These are the 2 rods. एक 3 feet है और this one is the 4 feet. To do is to just take this in your hand, right? Like he's holding it, correct? And then just press it like this and put it here, right? So it will hold your weights in place, correct? Yes, I have taken everything out from the box, right, to just show you samples. So these are the weights. And I don't know, they have filled it with cement or sand, right? So 2.5 kg के 4 हैं, right? Same 5 kg के भी 4 हैं और 10 kg के 2 हैं. 10 10 20 और ये 20 more and this is 10 more. So overall it's 50 kg. 14 inches की 2 डंबल rods हैं. 1 curled rod 3 feet, 1 plain rod. This is 4 feet. So 4 feet, 3 feet, 14 inch and these are the weights. तो weights ठीक हैं, लाइट हैं, भरे हुए हैं, तो फ्लोर टूटने का इतना खतरा नहीं है, राइट? बट आई डोंट नो कि ये इनकी ड्यूरेबिलिटी क्या है, कितने चल पाएंगे. जोर से अगर फोड़ के फेंका तो शायद ये फट सकते हैं क्योंकि है तो प्लास्टिक की. येस, दे आर गिवन दीज फोर्स, राइट, ताकि 2 आप कर्ल्ड रॉड पे लगा लो, 2 प्लेन रॉड पे लगा लो, ठीक है? So with that, okay, bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next video.